This is 973 Broken Reed. Looks like maybe the garage bulges slightly. I'm not sure why we have screens on this side of the house. This is the north side. And we have this patio cover here. So maybe take these off to make the room a little bit brighter. But these are the right blinds. The wall's a teeny bit more yellow than we generally do. The stove is also dated, so I don't know if you want to replace that. Nice to have an undermount with a gooseneck. Dishwasher may be okay. That's the property manager's call. So we have tile in the wet areas and laminate in the other areas. So this side of the property does get sun. So it's really nice to have this really great patio cover and concrete, and we already have the rocks in place, so that's a huge plus. And also, this patio cover protects the window from the sun, so I don't know if you want to remove that, these screens here, to make the property a little brighter, and I don't know where that's supposed to go. Raised panel doors. It's so dark in here. Okay, so
yeah, the lights are not very.
Yeah, they're super dark.
The AC is very. Yeah, the AC is very good. Oh, that's because it's set to 54. Oh no. It's cold.
Oh, this is dated. Let's change in flooring here. Okay. Well, that's a bright light. So we need a shower rod. Yeah, it's so dark in here, even with the lights on. This flooring looks to be in pretty good condition, and again, we have tile in the wet area. Okay, yeah, the walls are yellowy